Hi guys, in this video we talk about Realme 12 Pro versus Realme 12 Pro Plus. The Realme 12 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $300. The Realme 12 Pro Plus launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $400. The Realme 12 Pro body dimensions: height 6.35 inches, width 2.91 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The Realme 12 Pro Plus dimensions: height 6.36 inches, width 2.91 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight of the device is: the Realme 12 Pro come with 190 gram and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 196 gram. The both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type of the device is: the both device come with AMOLED display with 1 billion color, and the screen size is same 6.7 inches. And the resolution of the device is: the both device come with 1080p screen resolution, and the PPI density is same in both device 394 PPI density. The both device come with 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio is same 90.4% in both device, and the both device come with Gorilla Glass protection. The both device come with 950 nits peak of brightness, and the camera setup of the device is: the Realme 12 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it records 4K 30fps video. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it records 4K 30fps video. The selfie camera of the device is: the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 32 megapixel with 1080p 60fps video record selfie camera, and the Realme 12 Pro come with 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 1080p 30fps video record with front camera. The platform of the device is: the both device come with octa-core CPU with Cortex A78, and the chipset Realme 12 Pro Plus come with Snapdragon 7H Gen 2 4nm chipset, and the Realme 12 Pro come with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm chipset. The GPU is same in both device and Reno 710, and the both device come with Android 13 operating system with Realme UI 5.0. The memory of these devices: the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 8GB and 12GB of RAM, and the Realme 12 Pro come with 8GB of RAM, and the both devices come with 128GB and 256GB internal storage. No SD card supported in both devices. Let's go to the battery setup. The Realme 12 Pro and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery, and it's come with 67 watt fast charging. No wireless charging supported in both devices, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same. IP65 rating in both devices. The result of the devices: the Realme 12 Pro Plus got 25 points and the Realme 12 Pro got 20 points.